Yo, traders. Hope you're all doing well. Welcome to my channel. Today is Easter Sunday, 20th of April 2025. I hope you're all doing well. I hope you had a good festive period. I'm here to help you become a profitable trader. I'm here to coach you, teach you, and show you how to trade like a professional. So this video is actually I'm targeting the newbies, the new traders. Yeah. If you're new to Forex markets and you managed to see this video before you started trading a real account, then you're so lucky to see this video because this will help you help you become profitable and help you um, from blowing your accounts. Yeah, and this will save you years and years and years of trading the wrong way. Yeah, because again, the gurus, the Instagram gurus, and the Facebook and the forex gurus, they teach you how to trade the wrong way. Yeah, or even the books you buy, they all teach us how to trade the wrong way. All right. So I'm here to show you how to do this the right way. Um, don't believe me, but watch the video and then go through your charts and then back test what I'm showing you. Okay, and then you will see that uh, that what I'm saying is how the market works. Yeah, that's the way the market works. All right, so this is Aussie USD on the weekly time frame. Um, so the first thing I do is identify a trend. So if you are a new trader, if you're struggling to identify a trend, just say to yourself, I will move it down, I will going up. If the trend is moving down, you are downtrending. If you're closing below previous lows, for example, this low here, we broke it and closed. Yeah, this low here, we broke and closed this below it. Yeah, so you are downtrending. Yeah, that's the easiest way for you to identify a trend. Yeah, when you're breaking and closing below previous lows, you're downtrending. It's that simple. Yeah, the opposite is true for uptrend. All right. So here we are downtrending. So you want to go short. You do not want to go against the trend. All right. So that's the first thing we do: identify trends. So that is ticked. We've achieved number one. Then the second thing we do is we have to wait. You have to wait for the market to consolidate. Yeah. So consolidation is basically market moving sideways. That's the number two thing that you have to do. You wait for market to go sideways. So we bounce down, then we started pushing up, and the market keep rejecting the same level. Yeah, the same level is being rejected. So this is our consolidation area. Yeah. So all you do is the number three thing you do is to just grab your tool. Yeah. You just get a box. Your so you just open your drawing tool. You get your rectangle. Yeah, that one there, rectangle, and then you identify the low of the the rejection as the market came down and bounced up. So that low there is where you draw. Yeah, you draw a straight line that low, and then you identify where the market came and dropped down. For example, let me get my two. So this was a low, and then the next thing you do is to identify when we came down, where did we bounce up from? Yeah. So as you can see, we bounced up from here, and then we started going up. Yeah. We came back again. You see the first rejection there? That's where we rejected again. We bounced up. Sorry, we bounced up. We came back down again, the same place we rejected. So this is your box. Yeah, this is the box. This is your rectangle. Yeah, I did not draw a single horizontal line like Um, so I did not plot a single horizontal line like this on that level. Yeah, I did not do that because if you do this, you will miss out on this low right there. Yeah, and this low is very, very important for us. Okay, so you need to use this rectangle to identify your your zone. Okay, so that's the number three things that we do. So that's the third thing we do. So then what you need to do is to start wait. Then you basically just relax, just wait, yeah, to see what is going to happen. Okay, so this zone here is actually a trap. Yeah, this zone here is designed to attract the support and resistance traders, the supply and demand traders to come into the market. Okay, and also if you trade um the candlestick patterns, this is where they will get you to take the trades at this level. If you trade market structures, yeah, um um this is where they will get you to come and take the trades. Yeah, I'll show you a few examples. Yeah, I'll just show you few examples, and then and then we'll carry on. Okay, so right, so if you trade the chart patterns, for example, um this right here, which I do not encourage you to trade. um so I'll draw something like this and something like that. Yeah, so at this level, this is where you find all the different strategies, yeah, or chart patterns that it teaches. Okay, so you had this. I don't even know what this is called now. I think um, this is called a wage. Yeah, is it called a wage? I don't know. I don't know what it's called, but something like that. Yeah. So when we break out, you are told to go short, right? So you've gone short after the breakout. What happened? It came, it's taking you out. Yeah. Okay. And right here is a demand zone. Right here is a demand zone. Drop base, and we had this rally up to the upside. Okay. So supply and demand traders will be going long right here. So if you go long right here, where will your stop loss be? Stops are going to be below this level. Yeah, below the zone. Okay. And if you're going to take a TP after going long here, your TP will be this high right there. Yeah. So as you can see, we did not quite get to that high. So we assume that you're still holding on to your long trade. If you're support and resistance traders, this is where you'll be taking long at the rejection of the level. Yeah, this is where you'll be going long. Okay. If you go long there, what would the stop loss be? Stop are going to be below the zone again. Okay. And if you trade the candlestick patterns, um, then this is an engulfing candle. We engulf the previous day candle or the previous week candle in this instance because this is a weekly time frame. So if you've taken this long here, stocks are going to be below this zone right there or below this low right there. Okay. And then retracement traders, we've retraced, yeah, with this pin bar, bullish pin bar. If you're a candlestick pattern trader, you've gone long at break above the week high. Where would the stop loss be? Stops are all going to be below the level. Okay, so this is where all traders come into the market. Yeah, this is where they all come in to take the trades. Yeah, this zone here. You find the support and return traders, the supply and demand traders, the candlestick traders, the chart pattern traders, the retracement, the candlesticks, the whatever strategy you use, you will find everyone right here. So that's why I say we have three types of traders. We have the level traders, which people that are going long of this level, and the supply and demand traders. And we have a retracement traders, number two types of traders, people that have taken this retracement to the upside. And we have the breakout traders, this gentleman right there. Yeah. So if you're a newbie, stay away from these three types of traders. So you just wait for all this to happen before you take your trade. Okay. So now, since October 2022, we've not had a break and close below this level. Then bang, we had that break and close a couple of 3 weeks ago. Yeah. So when we had this break and close, what do you think will happen? We will have loads and loads of millions coming in to take a short trade. Why? Because we've broken out of a level that we've not broken out for 3 years. Yeah, nearly 3 years. All right. So we will have a huge volume of traders coming in to take short trades. Yeah. So if they take the short trades, if they come in to take the short trade right there, yeah, where would the stop loss be? The stops are going to be above this candlestick right there, above this zone right there. Yeah. So this is why you should never take a breakout. A, a breakout is basically a candlestick that has attracted you to come into the market. Is a trap. It is a trap. Don't take it. Yeah. If you see a breakout, just get ready to go opposite. Okay. Breakout is a false candlestick that attracts people to take the trade. Yeah. Okay. So this breakout here came in to take the stops of these people that have gone long right there. Or if you're holding your long trade here or here, this big candle here came out to take you out. Okay. And then, so that's the first thing you do is it comes in, it takes you out, and then also act as an attraction, as that candlestick that will get you to take, to go that, to go the same way, to take a short trade. All right. Then the week after that, if you're waiting for confirmation to go short, you wait for a candle to break below um, the to break to break below the close of this candle. Yeah, you had that there. Yeah, so this candle came down. Yeah, so this candle was bearish before it reversed and became a bullish candle. Yeah, so for the ones that have put their stops above this level, I'm afraid when the market opens this week, they will come and take you out. Yeah. So this is how not to trade. Yeah. So if you're a newbie, this is how not to trade. All right. So because we are downtrend, you want to go short. Yeah. You've taken this short. Unfortunately, you took it at the wrong time. Yeah. You should not be taking out this. You should not be taking this breakout because the banks they've set a trap for you. Yeah. They will need to come back to take you out because you need to remember that they don't want to go short at the same time as us. So they will need to manipulate the market before going the way that they want to go. All right. So now the market is coming back to take out the stops of these short people that have gone short here. So what we need to do is identify the leg that was responsible for these breakouts. So this was the leg that was responsible for these breakouts. So all you need to do is to look out for your for your supply zone right here to take your short trade. As you can see, I've set an alarm there. Yeah. So this is where I want to look to take a sell trade to join the trend to the downside. All right. So this is how we trade like a pro. All right. So this is where you look at this leg right here. You look to take a sell. All right. Look for a supply zone around here to take a sell to come to the downside. All right. Okay. So I hope this is useful. Any questions? Yeah. Drop me a comment. Drop a comment on the comment section, and I'll be glad to respond to you. All right. So please do not make the mistakes that we made, and trade the right way. All right. Okay. Take care now, and I wish you a safe and better trading. All right. Take care. All the best. Bye now.